Welcome to my house. So, good day, my beautiful and my smart investors. So, I'm here in one of those beautiful and serene estates along Ikota to show you this 5-bedroom mansion. As you can see, I love the artistic, I love that it's spacious, I love that the area is beautiful and serene, and we have greeneries around here. I welcome you once more to this house though. So let's go. So as you can see, the car park is very big, can contain up to 3 cars here. And I say that this property has a swimming pool at the back, so we are going to go back to check it. So we have the carport, and you can see that the artistic is very fine. So let me take you around the building. Right here we have the corner piece. As you can see, it's low fences that is allowed in this estate. So you can see that the building is very high, and so we are at the back right now. So we have a BQ at this corner, so a small BQ. Then we have the swimming pool. Wow! So you can see it's a nice place to come and chill and have a nice time with your family. So all these are inclusive of this property. So we have, this is the back door to the kitchen, so we're still going inside. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hello, so welcome to my house door. So just take a walk with me. So you can see that this house has a very sturdy door. Yeah, it's very strong, and I can't wait for you to see the interior. Just come along with me. So welcome. Right at this corner we have the guest toilet. So it's a small portable guest toilet for your guests. So wow, look at this parlor. It's very spacious and very high. Wow. So look at the light work and the POP, and you can see that there are windows everywhere, enough ventilation, enough illumination for this parlor. And as you can see, the TV stand is already done. So all you just have to do is just bring your TV and just drop it here. So we have the dining at this corner right here. So this is a storage room, a mini storage room where you can put some things you want to cook here. So we have the guest room right at this corner, and all the rooms are in suite. You can see that they have high wardrobe. This house is very high, and that's one thing I love about it. So we have the bathroom right at this corner for the visitors room. So let's check out the kitchen. So we have the kitchen here. Wow, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Wow, this is one of the best kitchen I've seen. So okay, how do we tackle? Let's start from here, this angle. So look at the cabinet. Wow, this is very beautiful and very innovative. So you can see the oven here, the microwave, the oven, everything fits the theme, which is black. We have a black glass here. So this is also a cabinet, and you will not know. So you can see, wow, this is beautiful. So also black, iSense. So everything here is top notch. So we have cabinets above too. So this gives this kitchen a very beautiful ambience, like you're cooking and you're looking at yourself, and it's just so amazing. So we have it here too. So we also have sound system here in your kitchen too, so you can control your music while you're cooking and everything. So we have double sink. We have one sink here. I'll have a sink here, and this is an island plate, electric. So we have it here, and we also have the gas burner here with the heat extractor and more cabinets. Wow, just look at the light here. It's amazing, simply amazing. I love this kitchen. I don't want to have a pantry here. So this is a mini pantry to keep some of the food stuff. So that's all for the kitchen. Let's go upstairs. So welcome back. So we're going upstairs. So wow, the stairs are very well made, and you can see the tiles and the lights, everything complements each other. So okay, so now we have one of the most spacious family lounge ever. So just come right here with me. So this is the family lounge with its own TV stand, and this can contain, this is up to so you have your space, your private parlor here upstairs if you don't want to come downstairs. So let's go to the other 3 rooms. So right at this corner we have room number 2. Wow, so I love all these rooms. They are very high, very high, and look at the wardrobe, very high too. It's very high and very stylish too. So they are all en suite too. So let's check out the bathroom. So yeah, the bathroom comes with the shower curvicule, wash and basin, toilet, water heater. So let's go and check room number 2. Room number 3. So right at this corner we have room number 3. So room number 3 is spacious too, and very high, and has high wardrobe too. So I think it's a bit smaller than room number 2. So we have the same bathroom en suite with a toilet bowl, the shower cubicle, and wash and basin. So let's go to room number 4. So we have room number 4 here. So room number 4 is very big. So I guess this is what they call mommy's room. So because if you look at this wardrobe, you know that, oh, this room was designed for a woman. So it's very big, and it has big wardrobes. And okay, so we have a balcony view right here. Wow, so it has its own balcony. From here you can see the backyard. So we have the bathroom here. Wow, I told you that this one was designed for a woman. So we have the LED mirror, the elegant wash and basin, the shower cubicle, and the toilet. Wow, so let's go. So now the masters for the last. So ta-da! This is the masters. Wow, so beautiful. We have a TV stand with cabinets. Then you can have your big king size or queen size bed at this corner while you watch movie. And then we have 2 wardrobes. We have this elegant wide wardrobe that can contain a lot of clothes here. Then right at this corner we have a closet, a walk-in closet, and wow, this is very elegant. So I guess all your clothes, your shoes, your bag, everything. I mean, this will contain everything. So right here we have the master's bathroom. So the master's bathroom comes with bathtub, the shower cubicle, two wash and basin, and they're all elegant. And we have a LED mirror and also the toilet, and we have water heaters here. It's just so amazing, just so beautiful. Wow. So right here we have the balcony. So this balcony, you can get to see the outside of this beautiful estate. So it's a nice and lovely building, and I know that the lucky buyer is there watching me. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. So that was a lovely tour around this 5-bedroom fully detached duplex located in this beautiful and serene estate. As you can see, this property is up for sale. You can be the latest landlord to own this amazing property. So if you love this property and you want to invest, you want to buy, you want to own, then make sure you call the numbers on your screen. I'm here to guide you on getting this property. So thank you once more for joining me on. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for your subscription, and thank you for liking and engaging on my videos, my content. So I thank you once more for joining me on this lovely tour to this mansion. I can't wait to see you at the next house tour. Bye.